How you doing? Tommy here. We're going to talk about food. Now, we've been experimenting with filters, water, fish. So now we're going to talk about food. And considering I go through a lot of food with over 700 fish. Anyway, so we're going to talk about Cichlid Flakes. As you can see, this is 5 pounds. And I bought this last year, and she's empty. So they eat a lot of flakes, which is now for an experiment. We tried it out. So this was last year. So we used this for about 7 months. No artificial flavoring. It's got, well, you know what it is. You've seen it before. And if you don't, then I'll do another video on what's in it. It's a very good, it's good, but it does make your tank a little cloudy, right? So as far as flakes goes, cichlids, and I use this on my tropical fish too. It was fine. It didn't add any color to it or anything else. It's just basically food. But 1 out of 10, the rating, I would give it an 8. It's good. It's good stuff. Now here we have the Algaemax Life, right? Now these are the small pellets that I tried feeding them. They're really good. The bottom feeders love eating them. The other fish like them too. I give it about, I don't know if you can see it. I give it a 10. I bought this last year too, and it was about 3 pounds. So for an experiment, as you see, she's empty. Okay, so when I do an experiment on food, I won't do it until she's full, empty. Now, these here, super coloring pellets, that's a bunch of baloney. They don't color my fish at all. I wish they wouldn't fake advertise. They're pellets. They're good. The crude ash is 8%, which is okay. It's a good. I give it a 7. It's a floating pellet. Maybe 7 I would give it to it. I still have a little bit left. Now this is only. This is only, you can see what they are. They're not, they don't seem to be, they don't go crazy over it. Best food for my bottom feeders is right here. Algaemax wafers. All the fish love them. Tropical, cichlids, every fish loves these. I put them in the tank. Now these are, this was 3 pounds. And that's them there. They just like them. I rated an 8, 8.5, maybe a 9, right? Price wise, that was 2 pounds, cost me $37. This is $40 for 3 pounds. That was, these cost me $67 for 3 pounds, but they're very small granules, like they're really small. This set me back with, for tax, everything else, 5 pounds of flake food. By the time it got here, it was about $200 for 5 pounds, which is really not that bad, and it lasted a long time, considering I was feeding all the fish that for. Now, what do we got now? So that's what we've been experimenting on. These are, I'll keep the rest of them. Not really happy with them. Now we just got in a shipment today. Something new. We haven't tried. So we have Ta-da! Bug bites. And bug bites. So we have bug bites for the cichlids, and I got bug bites for my tropical. So I'm not sure. They told me to break this, so I'll break it. I broke it. So this is for the cichlids. These were $67 plus tax. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Yeah, looks like kitty litter. Not a bad smell. Smell it.
It smells like cereal.
Yeah, it smells like cereal. Give me some milk. We'll try it out. And now this one is for tropical. Tropical fish. High fiber, high protein diet with harvest insects, natural, blah blah blah, portable, and then it's French. Who cares a little bit? Reading in French. And then this is the other one for the for my tropical fish tank. My God, it looks the same.
Smell the same?
No.
Yeah, this one's a bit stronger.
Yeah, a little stronger taste to it. So what's the difference? Okay, find out the difference. I don't really give you a... Black soldier fries, lava, fish protein. You know what, I'm gonna actually, you can zoom that. See the top right there? Can you zoom that in? Can you get that picture of it? Can it be zoomed in?
Okay, that should be good. If you want to read it, pause the video.
Yeah. And then, so this one's for the tropical. And so this is the, I can't, it's too dark in here to read. And this is for the cichlids. And so that'd be right there. And this way you can read it yourself and you'll know.
Okay.
So I don't really know how they'll do. Well, you know what? Let's do an experiment. Let's try this one here. We'll do this tank here. How much time we got on there?
We're at almost 8 minutes.
Oh, 8 minutes. Boy, that's too long. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick show. If they like it or not. I usually shut my pumps off, but I'm just going to put a pit in here. They know it's a little early. But let's see if they like it. Well,
yeah, they seem to like it.
Oh yeah. We might have a winner here. We might have a winner.
I feel like that's how they react to all food, though.
No, when I put the other food in, they don't go, This is an upside down catfish. There's 2 of them in there. They're called upside down catfishes, if you want to know. So. Anyways, I don't feed the fish till 10:30, and right now it's about 7:30. I want to thank you very much. I hope you like it. So our new experiment will be on the
Bug bites.
Bug bites for the tropical fish and the cichlids, and we'll see if there's much of a difference. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.